This is the Norwex mop. I love this mop. This mop has been a part of our family for over 7 years. I love that it deals with my dog messes, my kid messes, my baking messes, whatever season it is, all the things that get brought into the house messes, dust, dirt, pet hair, my hair, it deals with all of it. And mopping without chemicals and just the Norwex wet mop pad has been a game changer in keeping our floors clean in our home. Love this mop. There are 3 ways that you can get your very own mop. First, you can buy it. This mop is the most coveted and most expensive single item in the catalog, and it is worth every penny. So you can purchase your mop outright. That is one way to get it. Your second option, host a party. When you host a party, not only do you get to introduce your friends and family to amazing Norwex products, they have so much fun. The parties are amazing. Plus, you can earn your mop free or significantly discounted. There is not a much better way to get a mop than free or with a big discount. But third option, you can also join as a consultant. As a consultant, you get your mop system as part of your new consultant kit. And there's no better way to get started with Norwex than by sharing mops. These mops are amazing. No matter how you get it into your home, you're going to love it for years and years and years to come.